can't wait to hear your brilliant arguments.
Oh no, can I?
I'm sure that'll make it to the outtakes. Well, I'll just leave a warning for Anthony here, our video editor. These two are going to challenge you in every way. The end.
Well, it's not like we're unknown to each other.
Mr. Turner's got new glasses.
When you get up in age like you and I are, Peter, you need to do everything you can.
Speak for yourself.
Since I'm younger than you, I can speak for both of us.
Now, I don't need to give you guys all the usual warnings, so we'll just skip that bit. But I'll just do a cold
maybe
open
you do.
here.
Warnings?
Sorry, give you all the. You want the usual warnings?
I don't know what they are.
Oh, it's just.
I'm afraid I'll step over a line.
Yeah, this is exploration, not combat. We're stress testing ideas together.
Okay, fine. Well, I was prepared to go into literal combat debate, but if it's going to be collaboration, then that's a whole different approach.
You're supposed to, stress test the idea, not the person.
Oh.
Oh, well, I'll catch you later.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Have you got stats, or are you just going to wing it?
I don't have data. I got reality.
Yeah, okay, radio. And yeah, that's it. Anyway.
87% of stats are made up on the fly anyway, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah, lies and statistics.
Right. Is he going to do this the whole time?
Because probably
it's really distracting. Do you have the ability to turn off his video during this? Because with the mustache that he's got right now, it's impossible not to laugh at him. You know what I mean?
It's very John Newcomb.
At the end of this, I might look like a rock star, or I'll probably look like a wanker.
This is a G-rated show.
It's a G-rated show. It's a G-rated show.
This is
actually.
Excuse the expression. I'm sure you can bleep that out.
I don't even know who he is. Why is he here?